In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 190 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 1. It is less than 2, so we will consider the number 19. We know that 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get 1. Now see that this 1 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this 0 here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 190 divided by 2 is equal to 95. And this is our final answer. This video is made up with this digital pen tablet. The link is given in the description box. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.